So to cook the meat, what I did is I added some garlic salt. This is about 2.5 pounds of carne picada, which is ground beef. So while I have the carne cooking, I added my lasagna noodles to boil. So now that the meat is done, I'm going to add my spaghetti sauce to the meat while I still have it on the stove. I already drained the meat, so now it's just to add the sauce, which is the flavored meat. And I use that one, and then I use a different brand, garlic and onion, and I'm going to mix those together. Then once that's done, I'm going to add cottage cheese. Now sometimes I add it to the meat and sometimes I didn't. This time I didn't, so I could show you guys. So I sprayed the pan down, added the noodles, put down the meat, and then on this part here, what I did is I took the cottage cheese, I used a spoon, and I just went over the parts where I put the meat, and then I put some cheese on top. Now for each layer, I'm going to do the same thing. The only layer that's going to be different is the top layer, which is just going to have the meat and the cheese, and then I'm going to stick it in the oven at 350 for about 20 minutes. And then your lasagna is done.